Stars are an important source of energy for a solar system and a civilization. And what if I say a civilization is already harnessing its stars' energy and controlling the brightness? In the constellation Cygnus, around 1470 light-years, there is a star, a red dwarf with a mysterious anomaly with its brightness.
And we actually found evidence of something that may look like a Type 2 civilization, though that's very, very speculative. There's something called Tabby Star.
Began in 2009 with the launch of NASA's Kepler mission with the main objective to find exoplanets outside our solar system. It was held to observe single field of sky monitoring brightness of around 150,000 stars. It observed the brightness of stars for 4 years, taking data in every 30 minutes. It was looking for what scientists called a transit. This is when the planet's orbit is aligned to our line of sight, just so that the planet courses in front of the star, and when this happens, it blocks out a tiny bit starlight, which you can see as a dip in this curve, which used sophisticated instruments and computer in the Kepler's mission program. But scientists at Yale University was wondering what if the computer misses some data looking into that they launched citizen science program called Planet Hunter. To understand what is happening with KIC 846 to 852, let's have a look at our solar system. A planet as big as Jupiter will cause 1% dip in the sun's brightness, and Earth, which is 11 times smaller, will cause a 0.1% dip in the sun's brightness. Back to our mystery. When planet hunters were swifting through data looking for transits, they spot a mysterious signal from KIC. With first observations in May 2009, they found an uneven dip in stars' brightness. Transit usually lasts for a few hours, but this lasted for over a week, and when compared with the data of Jupiter with a clean U-shaped drop. But this was asymmetrical slope. Nobody would explain such a mysterious slope. After the first data in May, there were few more dips in the star's brightness, but things were quite normal until March 2011. Around this time, the star's brightness not just dropped by a few percent, it dropped by a whole lot, 15%. You can see in the data the drop was clean and gradual and lasted for almost a week and comes back to normal in few days. By now it was clear that the dips aren't from any planets or circular objects. Again, after this event, things got back to normal until February 2013. Things went crazy as there was complex dips in the light curve, which lasted for 100 days all the way up to the Kepler's mission end. Some dips were broad, some were short with up and down trends within the dips, like some independent objects controlling the brightness on top of each other. And this time the star's brightness dropped by over 20%. Whatever is causing these dips has an area 1,000 times than our Earth. When the Planet Hunters team informed the scientists' team about the data that worth following, the scientists thought there must be something wrong with the data, but when they looked really hard into the data, everything was fine. Then they came with ideas. Some said this must be a new star with accretion disk. Some thought there must be a planetary collision in process like per own planet during the creation of Moon, and other thought that a huge swarm of comets were passing by the star. But when they looked deep into it, they found that the star shows no sign of being young, with a near zero chance of planetary collisions and swarm of comets. But with all the bad ideas, this idea seems to work. Imagine a civilization more advanced than us. They used all their planetary energy, and with the increasing demands for energy, they are using their star as an energy source. They build huge solar panels around the star, which is also called Dyson spheres, to harness their star energy. But a question arrives: like any advanced civilization cannot defy the law of physics. If a civilization is using spheres to generate energy, there will be huge heat signatures coming from that star, but it shows no signs. Some scientists propose that maybe they are not beaming that to the Earth, maybe in other direction. Till date, the mystery of Tabby Star continues, with more research coming this year. A valid reason of cosmic dust is widely accepted between scientists. That's just not it. Thanks for watching. Video is very late. Tried to improve my editing. Please do comment what area should I improve in my video.